Hello ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you my Christmas tree. It will be lighting when I drive. I will use when I start drive I will use this system. Okay, so it's my vacuum cleaner. I just vacuum my truck. Everything is clean here. Absolutely replace sleeper air filter and cab air filter. That's light. This is my Ukrainian flag. Glory to Ukraine. So when I start driving I will use I will connect that. This right now working from generator. Okay, I will connect that plug, and when I drive I will use that light. Beautiful. So that is my for winter time I use generator to heat my sleeper. That is awesome. So also I charge DeWalt right now. Okay, right now my battery is disconnect in my truck. Absolutely disconnect battery, and my truck is rest. Battery is rest, and I cleaning everything, cleaning. So when I disconnect my truck, my battery, my e-lock disconnect too. But anyway, I'm sleep bound. Okay, what's another one? Everything is good. I clean there, I vacuum over there, I clean there. My truck always clean, and this is awesome. You feel very good when this is clean truck. This is my cartoons for summertime, I mean for springtime and for fall time. Okay, I use that, so I do not use on summertime air condition, portable air condition, 12,000 BTU stay over here. Do you see this is sled from wheels? Air condition was here, so I never use battery. This truck is 2019. Guess 2019. I bought that truck in 2018 in fall time, in October, and from that time I never replace battery. Okay, because I can't get home, I disconnect battery, go home, rest home. Okay, that is blah blah blah. Beautiful job. Now I will relax, watch TV, Ukrainian news.
До 14 зросла кількість загиблих через атаку.
That is Ukrainian news. Unfortunately, again, very bad news. Again, Russian fucking terrorists. Again, they hit my Ukraine. Russia is terrorist, okay? All Russian is terrorist. No matter they like war or doesn't like war, all Russian is terrorist because they pay taxes, and the government, Russian government, do terrorist job, okay? Oh Jesus.